You want to transfer the animation from one character to another in Blender. You can easily do this using the Rokoko Studio add-on for Blender. Just head over to their website and download the Blender plugin. Now, in order to do this and achieve the perfect result, we want our characters to be in the same position and have the same pose. So here, if we select the character with the animation and go into the data, and we check the rest position, and we can see that it's also in T-pose. Now you want your both characters to have the same pose. If they are not in the same pose, select the armature, go into pose mode, and manually adjust the bones to have the same pose. And for you to do that, you have to line them up. So we can go ahead and move this character into the position of this other one. Let's scale it down a bit. So in order for you to change the rest position of an object in Blender, I made a video over here that you can click and watch to see how it's done. And then we can go ahead and move this a bit to the side. To press N, go to your Rokoko add-on under retargeting. For the source, we want the armature with the animation. And for the target, we want the armature without the animation. With that selected, you go ahead and select build bone list. Let's go ahead, select the rest position and click on retarget animation. As you can see, we have our character now doing the backflip animation, but the hands are kind of weirdly placed. In order to adjust that, this happens to me. I don't know if this is going to happen to you. You have to go here and match the bones correctly. So for this bone, let's go to pose mode. The right arm is not matched correctly to that of the other character. So we'll go here, left shoulder to left shoulder, left arm, and you see it's showing left arm to left shoulder. So we have to change this to left arm. Do the same thing for the right. You can see here that the right arm is to the right shoulder. That's not correct. Change this to the right arm. Alright, with that, we can go ahead and press retarget animation again. Perfect. Now we have the hands placed down. So with this done, you can go ahead, hide this, the bone, you can toggle that off. So there you have it. That is how you can quickly do that and transfer your animation from one character to another in Blender. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.